Hello everyone, Recabilly here. Today I want to show you this really cool thing that I've come up with. It's actually something that I've done before, but I wanted to make a new video on it. So you can change the explosion radius of creepers. So I have a regular, or not a regular, but I have a creeper right here, and if I make it explode, you can see that its radius is very small. Its radius is actually 1, but I have a different creeper right here. I'll just actually go for this one. Whose radius is much larger. In fact, it got into the other one's radius. You can see the block missing right there. That's from the other creeper. Okay, so I have all of these different sized explosion on the creepers. So I have that one, this one. We'll leave a little bit more space. And there, and then we'll leave a lot of space for that one. Alright, and then all I do is I change a certain block to a redstone block. And what it's gonna do is it's gonna blow up all of these creepers in order. And you'll get to see all of it. Here, let me just... Oh, it's pretty cool. So as you can see, I have different size explosions, and I built this really cool like super flat world with all the different colors of wool. And I figure, what can I do with this? I can use them as paintbrushes, and I can just make some cool stuff. The first thing I did was try to add little pixel art Pikachu, and as you can see, I think it's pretty cool. The only problem is, when it finally gets to the mouth and the eyes and the cheeks, just kind of breaks it up, looks really weird, totally messed it up with the larger explosions. I needed to go bigger if I wanted to use the different brush sizes. So here is a short video. Try to guess what I am drawing with the creepers as they're exploding, and see if you can guess it before the drawing is finished. Enjoy! Oh my goodness, that's so freaking fun. I love doing that. It took a long time to make each design, but as you can see, I have my favorites right here on some maps. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comment below. Leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Should I do it? Should I do it? Should I do it? Should I do it?